You got the hiccups, little Lucy.
To go to the wedding, so
Oh.
it's go, 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 get in the car, no time to waste.
The rules of this challenge are that we have to cater a wedding of over 100 people. There's 2 canapes, 2 entrees, 2 mains, 2 desserts, and we're being judged as individuals on this one. At the end of this challenge, 2 people are going to go into elimination. I will be pulling out all the stops. I'll be doing everything in my power to be one of the top performers.
Wow, check this out. We arrive at the wharf and we see this enormous 2-story blue room boat. It's an amazing place to have a wedding. I can't believe that we are going to be catering at an event like this. This is going to be